Namaskar, I'm Amrita Sabat from brand Utkal Amrita. Utkal Amrita is also selling on Amazon and we also have our own website. So recently we had a very bad experience with Amazon. So that's why I want to share that with everyone. So this is our dye Scott sari, cream with big checks and big temples. This is our sari from the weaver, and this sari's order had come to us from one customer in Andhra Pradesh via Amazon, and we had sent this sari, and then after a few days the customer returned the sari to us, and just see, like the moment we touched the parcel we knew that there is something wrong with this. It is only 274.2 grams, whereas the actual sari from the weaver is 447.4 grams. When we measured the sari, we actually found what is the problem. Here is the sari which has come back from the customer. This anchal is fine. From the anchal side nothing has been cut. But if you come towards the body side, it is very clear that this has been cut with a scissor. See, this is how it has been cut. So, the customer has cut almost say 2+ meters. For you, I will measure this. Here you go. And we are almost at the anchal. This is 3 meters which I have measured so far. Okay, 42 centimeter. So 3 meter 40 centimeter has been given to us. This is the actual sari. I am just going to measure this also. This is 133 centimeters. There are about 4 layers over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 133, 5.4 almost, and we have just got here 3.4 meters. We have already filed a safety claim with Amazon. I hope they will do justice. There are also customers like this who have cheated the seller, and here this is the original packet in which it had come back, and this is from Andhra, Pileru, which is in Andhra, that's what we saw. And it's quite sad. Amazon has a policy in which the sari taken by the customer can be returned within 30 days. So 30 days is a very long time, and people can simply wear the sari for a number of times and then return it, and Amazon immediately gives the refund. So we want to appeal to Amazon that please you make a policy of a 5-day return, because we can't afford. We have very good silk saris and cotton saris which are put up on Amazon, and people, they can take undue advantage of this policy and return back saris. We have seen our Dongriya silks getting returned after so many days, like almost 20 days later customer has returned. This is not fair. So we request that Amazon can change its policy, because nowadays in this COVID era everyone is ordering online. So it can help for an equitable and fair system for both the customer and the seller. Another very important thing, a lot of our sari photographs are being copied on Amazon by other Amazon sellers. So even though Utkal Amrita has the trademark and we have registered on Amazon brand registry, still we find that so many of our sari photographs are being blatantly misused, are being copied and put up by other sellers. We have raised a lot of issues with Amazon, but it's really sad to see that it continues happening. So I wish and I hope and I appeal that a big marketplace like Amazon can please invest a little bit to ensure that such copies are not made. See, we do so much of hard work. We spend such a lot of money in doing model shoots, in showing our saris properly so that customers can see every little detail of the sari, and it pains us to see that our photos done with so much hard work are simply just copied. People should at least have the ethics that they can take their own photographs with their own models and then put it up. This is our hearty request to Amazon, please. So this is from me. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.